Okay, hey everyone, this is Shrikant and I'm going to show you a kind of shell in my shell collection. Now, a shell is a hard structure made of calcium carbonate that protects a soft-bodied sea creature called shellfish, which is more like snails or slugs than fish. A cowrie is a kind of shell that has a dome on top. It's very smooth and is kept shiny by a mantle, and on the bottom there are ridges. Now, cowrie mollusks are sea snails actually. A group of sea snails. These shells are the most sought after collectors. That is why I wanted to do this as the first. Now, if you take a look, there are 70 species of cowries that can be found in India. Some of the most popular include the big cowrie. Yes, this is Cypria pantherina, and I know you have seen it in my video of the shell collection. Click the link up above to see it. So this cowrie is spotted with a streak here, and then on this side you can see that the ridge has a slight spot right there, and then the cowrie has this ridge. Now, yes, all the cowries have the teeth. If you look at the back, you can see this kind of thing that all shells have. It's very pretty. Now, also confused with the Cypria pantherina that I showed earlier. This is Cypria tigris. It has darker spots. And if you look at it, same thing. Just have the same thing. This is one of the cowries that you may consider interesting. It's called common egg cowrie, Cypria ovulum. And this cowrie, when you look at it, just basically white all over. And the thing that's special about this cowrie is that it can give you pearls. There is chances of getting pearls. This is a Luvia cowrie, Luvia isabella. Well, not Isabella mexicana. That you'll find the Atlantic or Pacific coast. This Isabella cowrie is just basically kind of light, tannish, and has white stripes. You can see on the outside, and has purple teeth. Next, Mauritia arabica. This has something like an Arabian script, but it can be found in the western coasts of the Indian Ocean. Mauritia arabica, or Arabian cowrie as it's named, has these red teeth. Now, this is also found in some other cowries and has spots at the bottom and the sides. Mauritia Mauritania, has these spots on the top, and is one of the famous cowries, and you can see this brown on the outlines of the dots. And if you basically look at that, it has red teeth too, like the previously observed Mauritia arabica, but it also has this black bottom, really nice black. Now, similar are these cowries: Monetaria caput serpentis, and Monetaria caput-draconis. The first we're going to see the Monetaria caput-draconis. It has these spots, but does not have that much of a streak. And then you look at the bottom, you can see. Now there are varieties that mostly cover this area brown, but this is also Monetaria caput-draconis, and Monetaria caput serpentis, which is different. It has more lighter colors, but the thing is, and it also has streaks at the top. These two cowries are called cowries. They're both Iona cowrisa class. Now, first, let's look at this one. Iona cowrisa samoyensis. This is more recognized as a Kawisa kauri, and has a thick teeth right here. Here, they're kind of articulated. And then this is confused with a kauri called cat kauri or Mycoloena felina. But basically, this is also a Kawisa kauri too. This is Irona Kawisa quintifex here. Well, I'm not making those names up, they're just zoological names. Then this is Lincina lynx or Cypria lynx or lynx kauri. This guy, he has this kind of pink edge with dots are scattered everywhere, and it has this yellow top. And if you look on the side, also see those kind of orangish red teeth, just like in the previous, just like observed Arabica. These three shells. This is also in a Monetaria genus, just like the Monetaria capitseptis. Monetaria moneta in original form. Monetaria moneta in purple top. Monetaria moneta in colored form. Now, the first one we're gonna look at the classic. Now, you might recognize this kauri in playing Palanguri and other games. Now, this is called the money kauri because this in ancient times it's used as money. And if you look at it's kind of greenish yellow. And if you look at the bottom, it does show the rib, but it's white. That's very common in kauris. Now, then a smaller one. This is also kind of bumpy or pixelated, but basically the same thing is that it has the same region, except this one has a purple top. Remember, the last one has a greenish yellow top. This one is very colored. It has a nice greenish, orangish kind of color. This is a yellow one, and if you look at the bottom, it's white. You can see the outline of the colors. This is called deer kauri. Now, deer kauri can be found in all places. The kauris can be found Pacific, Atlantic, and Indian. But this is an Indian deer kauri. Has the spots. When you look at the bottom will not typically that different from all the kauris. The last one is Monetaria annulus. No, Monetaria is just a genus. But if you look at if you look carefully, you can see a ring around it.
Okay.
And then on the underside, you can see this kind of ridge that the kauri has. So that's basically all the kauris is in this collection. I hope I'm going to get more. Thank you for watching my videos. Bye.